Consider a numerical problem here, right? So what is the question? An element has body centered cubic, that is BCC structure with a cell edge of 288 picometer. They are given the cell edge length, that is 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2 gram per cm cube. They are given the density. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? They asked number of atoms which is present in the 208 gram of the element. Okay, so I have to find out the number of particle or number of constituent atoms which is present in the 208 gram of the element. Okay, let's start. Solution here. First write down the given data. Solution. First what they are given? They are given the element has the body centered cubic unit cell, means what? Z is equal to the number of particle, because it is a BCC, number of particle present is here, it is 2. Z is given. Next, edge length A is given. So A is equal to what? 288 picometer. They are given the edge length. Next, the density of the element, they are also given the density. D is equal to how much? 7.2 gram per cm cube. They are given the density also. They told you to calculate the number of atoms present in the 208 gram of element. For this, first I have to find out the number of unit cell present in this element. Means what? There is an element here. Okay. First, there is an element. The mass of this element they are given, that is 208 gram. They are given the mass. I don't know the volume of this one. How many volume? I don't know about this one. But this crystal, whatever the crystal is there, it is made up of the BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. Means what? Whatever the crystals are arranged here, right, like this, whatever the crystals are arranged here, this crystals is made up of what? Body centered cubic unit cell. Means in each crystal, whatever the unit cell is there, in each unit cell it is carrying 2 atoms. So 2 atoms present in the each unit cell. Okay, so now I have to find out the total number of atoms which are present in this whole crystal. Okay, but I don't know the volume of this one. If I want to find out the total number of atoms, first I should find out the volume of this one. If I know the volume of this one, if I know the unit cell, how many unit cell are present in this whole volume, then I came to know the number of atoms. Means first I have to find out the volume of this unit cell. After that, how many number of unit cell is present in this whole element, I should find out. If I get the number of unit cell, then I can easily find out the number of atoms present in the whole 2098 gram of the element. For that, I should find out first volume of this whole element. After that, volume of this unit cell. That is also the important one. To find out that first volume of the unit cell, what are the requirement? I have to find out the volume of unit cell by using the what? Edge length. They are given what? Edge length here. So edge length is what? 288 picometer. For that, I can calculate the first volume. Right? Find out volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. So that is 288 picometer. Picometer means what? 288 into 10 to the power minus 12. But here it is A. I want what? A cube. Hence it should be cube. So now this will become 2.39 into 10 to the power 23. That is nothing but the volume of the unit cell. Now I got the volume of one unit cell. So now if I go on arranging this one, how many unit cell is present in this volume? For that I should find out the volume of this element, whole element. To find out the volume of this whole element, I need some data. So means this volume I can calculate by what? Mass into density. That is, you already know that density is equal to what? Mass divided by volume. So now I am having the density of this element. So density they have given, that is 7.2 gram per cm cube, and mass I have given, they are given, that is 208. So now the volume of the element is equal to, so here it is, mass divided by density. Mass is how much? 208 gram divided by, what is the density? The density is equal to 7.2 gram per cm cube. So how much it is? Calculate. After simplifying this one, we will get 28.88 cm cube. So this is what the volume of the whole element. I got what? Volume of the whole element, and I already know the volume of this unit cell. If I divide whole volume by the unit cell, then I will get the number of unit cell. So that is, the number of unit cell is equal to volume of the element divided by volume of unit cell. So that is, volume of the element is how much? So here it is 28.88 cm cube divided by, what is the volume of the unit cell? That is 2.39 into 10 to the power 23. So here it is minus 23. Okay. So simplify this one. What's the answer you will get? 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 number of unit cell. So now I got the total number of unit cell. So now you can easily find out what? Number of atoms, because you already know this is a BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. So that contains 2 particles in each unit cell. So but how many unit cell we are having? That is 12.08 into 10 to the power 23. So that the total number of atoms present in 208 gram of element is equal to, so 2, because number of particle present is 2 into how many number of unit cells are there? 12.08 into 10 to the power 23. So this will become 12 to the 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. So here the total number of atoms is present is 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Got it? So because they want what? Number of atoms which is present in the whole element. For that, first we should find out the volume of the what element. After that, if you know the volume of the element, that unit cell, you can easily find out. For that, you already know that first you should find out the volume of the unit cell. After that, by using the mass and the density, you can find out the volume of the whole element. So here the whole element is divided by the volume of the unit cell. I can get the number of unit cell. So that is 12.08 into 10 to the power 23. So I got what? Number of unit cell. So in each unit cell it's containing the 2 atoms. So now 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 number of unit cell is containing how many atoms? So that is 2 into 12.08 into 10 to the power 23. So that will equal to 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms.